What's going on, everybody? It's chilly outside today. I probably should have opted for the gauntlets, but I don't like the way they handle my hands. Is that a thing? Handle my hands? Oh well, so let's go ahead and roll the intro here and give ourselves something to talk about. Roll it. Alright guys, short video here today. Again, just saying hi, trying to do as many of these 2-a-week videos as I can. I'm coming to you. I need opinions. I need suggestions. I need opinions and suggestions for an intermediate glove. So what I have on right now are my Harley Davidson mesh ones, as you can see here. Woo-wee. What I have at home are a pair of Harley Davidson gauntlets. So I feel like I have two extremes. I have a summer extreme and a winter extreme. I don't have these kind of mid-range 50s, 40s temperature gloves. So that's what I'm coming to you for. I need some suggestions. What do you guys wear? If you want to post it in the comments below, I'll be glad to cipher. I'd be glad to go through those and I really would value your opinion as far as what you would recommend, because the problem with the meshes is obviously it lets in a crap ton of air, and I'm not sure if you realize this, guys, but winter air is cold air and it's not pleasant on the hands. Shocking. But what I do like about them though is that it doesn't feel like feels like I'm not wearing much at all. So that is the major perk of the summertime. Going over to the opposite side of that scale are the gauntlets, and the gauntlets are so hard for me to clench my fist around the grips. I just don't like them. I mean, they do great though for keeping my hands warm, but man, I just feel like I'm ready to go out and throw snowballs or something. They are just I feel like every time I put those gloves on, I feel like the kid from A Christmas Story.
I can't put my arms out.
Oh God, Christmas, it's coming up. So that's one thing, is glove recommendations again for maybe the 50s, low 60s, upper 40s, somewhere in there that's not quite so extreme as needing a gauntlet, or better up than a mesh. So that's the first part of this video. The second part of this video is going to be what to get myself for Christmas. Oh wait, it's already been ordered. What is it, you say? I don't know, but it has a ship date of November the 30th, and it will be prominently used on the channel most likely next spring. I'll probably do an unboxing of it beforehand, but if you guys know me, you know I have a certain addiction to things, so you can probably guess what it is, but probably not what kind it is. But I would love for you, now there's a couple people out there who know what this is, so don't ruin the fun, but post, again, in addition to your glove recommendations, post what you think I have, and be brand, and if you can, be model specific. I know I'm asking for a lot out of you guys this week. But with that being said, guys, again, just another quick update. I like having these once a week, twice a week videos, just these little quick updates. It makes me feel like I'm more connected, instead of posting a video and waiting a whole week to get some more traffic to the channel. So that being said, I will catch you guys on the next dark side, as this is the way. Chop it out. See ya.